There are a couple of other top automated vehicle myths that, while not specific to J3016, are very much worth debunking. The first is the myth that 94% of crashes are driver error. If you've been following AVs, you've no doubt heard that repeated endlessly. But in fact, the study that number comes from does not actually say that. What it says is that human drivers played some role in 94% of crashes. Yes, some of those are drunk driving. Yes, some of them are other human frailties. But there are also some things in the data in which the human driver failed to prevent a crash because something else went wrong. Or a human driver made a mistake that it's pretty likely an automated driving system could also make. Many of these mistakes were recognition errors and decision errors. And if you're using a machine learning-based system, at this point, there's no way to guarantee those systems will not also make recognition and decision errors. So while it may be true that humans contributed directly or indirectly to 94% of crashes, it is incorrect to conclude that machines will therefore eliminate 94% of crashes. That's not what that number means. Another myth is that automated vehicles don't drive drunk, so they will be safer. The reality is that machine learning-based systems lack common sense, so they are very likely to make different mistakes. There is insufficient data to know how this will turn out. In the end, one hopes that machine-driven vehicles will be better than human drivers, but as of this point, there is no concrete proof that that will actually be true anytime soon. If you look at existing Level 2 vehicle data, remember that's human plus machine together safety, not fully autonomous vehicle safety. There's still a human as a backstop, so that number does not predict, either for better or worse, how fully automated vehicles will turn out.